Alric Show.
Join the Alric Show family. Follow and like us on Instagram at The Alric Show. Share with us on Facebook and on Twitter. And subscribe to The Alric Show YouTube channel for all episodes and behind the scenes with Alric and our guests.
On the Alric Show.
Hi YouTubers, you're now on the Alric Show channel. Please press subscribe and share with your friends and your family. We have stories to make you laugh and stories of change. Subscribe, share, and enjoy.
Alric Show.
Welcome back to the show. Bitten by a radioactive mosquito, it gave him amazing powers to help others and to create excitement through the parish of Portland with his Spidey sense. Today we have our very own Jamaican Spider-Man on the Alric Show. Mr. Spider-Man, how are you doing?
We're there, man.
All right, thank you for stopping by.
No problem.
Because I know you have a lot of Webley duties.
Kinda, if I want to call it that.
Now, how much of yourself, your real self, do you see in the character?
100%.
Yeah?
100%. His whole attitude and skills relate to myself.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How do you define?
He's kind of a comedic person if you think about it,
Yes,
if you watch
yes.
the person. And that's me overall. I'm always smiling.
Yeah. No, the character Spider-Man also reflects a lot of optimism and dreams for youngsters as well, you know?
Yeah.
Would this also describe you?
100% again. I've been an optimist all my life.
Yeah.
I always look forward for the best and try to steer far from the worst.
So there are so many characters out there. What inspired you to become Spider-Man?
Well, actually, so firstly, it's not really to say inspired, but I was like working. I worked in the hotel industry for a while. I was working and I was like, how can I make a quick buck? Right, and it came to mind, why not wear a costume? And then I was looking through a list of heroes. I'm like, Spider-Man fits me the best, as I said. So right there and then I bought a suit, and then the first day I wore it, the crowd blew up.
Yeah?
It was a steel band. I was working with a steel band.
Yeah.
So after the show, normally we help to carry the band back to the bus. But the kids stormed me, so no, I don't have to carry a band. So win-win.
Yeah.
And then the parents take pictures with me and all these things, and then they tip me.
Do you think that you're more Spider-Man than your real self?
No, I wouldn't say so. It's just me in a costume.
Just in your costume.
Yeah.
Tell me about you, the individual. What kind of person are you?
Well, I'm a jovial person, a very comedic person. As I said, an optimist.
Right.
And I love kids.
Yeah.
So that's basically me. And I'm a talented person who really knows me.
No, Spider-Man is an interesting character. How did you learn all those moves?
So I was doing these flips and these things for a while now. It was about 2010 so on. Yeah, I learned all these moves of the movie Step Up.
Yeah.
Everybody knows Step Up. So I'm gonna watch it, I'm gonna go outside, try it. You know, drop on me a couple times, but yeah, I'm reach there now. So
What are people saying when you're in the streets?
well, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man, come here, Spider-Man. Jump across some place, running at traffic. And, yeah.
It gives you another level of confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Wow. So, are you currently doing a 9 to 5?
No, I work as a freelancer right now. I do a lot of things actually, you know, because I do like some graphic designing, you know, the thing them, you send me a picture and I draw it over as a cartoon.
Yeah.
Yes, I do a lot of little side jobs. I do like posters and those things. But I don't really do it, I only do it for like friends who want to do something, then just text me and I do it for them and them send me credit and then I sell the credit. you know. So that, and then I do music videos and these things too. So
So aren't you hot in this costume?
no, it's a silk material. So
Wow. Do people want to know your identity? They ask you
people
to take
already know. People don't really ask me to take it off. Sometimes I just take it off. If I feel hot, I just take it off.
I saw you save a girl the other day.
Oh,
I saw-
joker.
Right, because you were caught on camera. You were caught on camera.
Well, I wouldn't even say save a girl, you know, save our KFC, right?
Yeah. So you were putting more skits together
Yeah.
to help sell your Spider-Man image, yeah?
Yes.
Good. So tell me about your early years. What school you went to and all of that.
Early. As in high school?
Well, not basic school. Let's start with high school.
High school. High school, wow. High school wasn't much for me.
Which high
I'm
school did you
surprised. Port Antonio High School. I'm surprised I became the person I am right now because of high school, because I never spoke to anybody at all but the people in my house
Really?
for years
What
and years.
caused that?
I don't know. Sometimes I just feel depressed, like, I don't know.
That was during your high school years?
Since I've known myself until high school, my face always screw from a smile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're the only one in your household like that?
Yes.
You
Yeah,
just
I'm
have
the
that-
only one.
So you felt depressed
Right.
while growing up?
Yeah. What really changed it one day, I look at myself and say, I can't change anything, so alright, from today on, I go smile for everything. If somebody even diss me, I smile. And from that, I do it. I'm surprised it work, but it work.
Because the thing is, you
I'm bending my mind to it.
right, you know, it became an intention.
Yeah.
Wow, that's an interesting spin on your life.
Sometimes people say something and then not expect a laugh, right?
Yeah.
When me laugh, them I say, why you laugh? But me know why me a laugh.
What does it mean for you now to have a smile on your face, even in the most dreaded situation?
I feel like it's a superpower, honestly.
It is
honestly.
a superpower, actually, because it is something that we have to begin to learn how to deal with situations. It's a mind shift. Yeah, so that's a good thing, Mr. Spider-Man.
Yeah, it's an accomplishment. Huh?
And now you're helping other people to laugh a bit, because when you're
Alright.
out in the street doing your thing, people are really happy about it.
Yeah, you know, somebody might have a bad day, then look through the window, then see this Spider-Man dude, see a phone, Spider-Man! You know? So, yeah, I make a couple people days, especially the kids.
Yeah. Have you had any injury since you're trying?
No.
You've been Spider-Man.
Only injury I got sprains and so on, and that's a regular for me. No, not really.
So what are the different dance moves that you do? I see you spin all over the place.
Yeah, I do break dance and flips. So the break dance, I do spin moves on your hands and on your head, spin on your head and those things, you know, the flips over some place. And I also do a little bit of parkour. So parkour is a little bit different. Parkour is like chucking over people and jumping from one point to the next.
So
or
you're
something
learning
like
that now? Or you've already
No,
started?
I already started, but I'm not as good at it as I am at the flipping.
That's a
and
serious
breakdancing.
stunt, man. Be
Yeah,
careful.
because the thing is, if you jump off a house top, I don't know if you see one of my video when I jumped off the house.
No, I missed
top.
that one.
Alright, I jumped off my house top. Right, so the thing is, if you jump and you fall straight, you might break your legs. So there's a way to fall so you don't feel anything. So you just fall, hands down, then roll. So that's parkour.
So you're trying to fall like a cat.
Yeah, so that.
How long do you intend to be Spider-Man?
Not very long. I don't think I can manage it. It's very harder than it looks though.
Yeah?
I'm telling you.
What's
It's
hard
strain,
about
it's
it?
strain on the body. Like I got asthma, that's one.
Oh, you have asthma and then you have this over your face.
That
It doesn't affect
doesn't. No, it's just like when I get too tired or I'm in a dusty area or cold area or so on. So what I have to do is take the pump before I do what I'm doing to prevent all of that. Plus I got a little scoliosis. It's not too bad, but I got scoliosis, so my back is always hurting. So all of that shows me I can't do it for too long. So I'm just doing it while I can. I'm actually wanting to go in business.
What business do you want to do?
I want to own a business.
Good. But you're in the creative industry, so now is a good time to
So
start. You
the
can start teaching others.
plan was actually to do this Spider-Man thing, see if I can get it out there, if it, use it, make some money, then do a business. Because then you have to have some sort of finance to do a business. So that's a real plan.
Wow. So you're looking to do some business so you can inspire others, continue to inspire others as well, and of course to make a living. Wow. Spider-Man, I want to thank you very much.
All right, thank
For
you.
swinging
Swinging by.
swinging by. Right, that's the right word to say. On the Alric Show. And I do appreciate it. I wish you all the best, man. And the character of Spider-Man signifies a lot of hope. All right, thank you very much,
All right.
Spider-Man. All right. So we take a break. When we come back, we meet Michael Jackson. Ghetto Michael Jackson.
Alric Show.
Join the Alric Show family. Follow and like us on Instagram at The Alric Show. Share with us on Facebook and on Twitter. And subscribe to the Alric Show YouTube channel for all episodes and behind the scenes with Alric and our guests.
On the Alric Show. Alric Show.